To enable airplane mode in 2026 on most modern smartphones, begin by accessing the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen using two fingers, or swipe down twice with one finger to fully expand the control center. This reveals system shortcuts for connectivity features. Next, locate the icon labeled Airplane Mode or Flight Mode, typically represented by a small airplane symbol. Tap this icon once to activate it. When enabled, the icon will change color or highlight, often turning blue depending on your device theme. You will also see a small airplane symbol appear in the status bar at the top of the screen, confirming that all wireless communications such as mobile data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth have been temporarily disabled. To deactivate, simply tap the icon again. This method ensures quick, efficient control over connectivity, especially during travel or when conserving battery life. Ensure the feature is used responsibly, as enabling airplane mode will disconnect incoming calls, messages, and background synchronization until it is manually turned off again for full network restoration is completed safely always.